Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I will be installing this Ring alarm system. We're kind of like in the middle of moving right now to like a new state, kind of unfamiliar with the area. So I thought getting an alarm system would be a good idea. I already have a Ring doorbell and I really like it, so I thought I'd just add to the kit. I did have SimpliSafe once before and I didn't really love it. But we'll see how this one is. Everything you see here came together. I got it as a Labor Day sale. It was like $250 for this whole kit. So the thing I like about Ring that made me buy it was I really like the app. So I already have the doorbell. You have to, you do have to pay monthly for the security system, for like the monitoring. It is $10 a month, which is like the cheapest that I've seen for security system monitoring. Okay, so here is the kit. It's very cute. I mean, they do a great job with packaging. Get these little stickers, and here's what's included in the box. The contact sensors are what you put like on doors or windows. This house has like a million doors to the outside, so I'm gonna have to just choose which ones I want to put those on. But you can buy these as add-ons, like separately. Like I could buy additional ones of these and add these, add them to this system. Okay, so you do have to connect your base station to your router with the Ethernet cable, and then plug it into the wall. And I'll try to show you the rest on the app. So once you open up the Ring app and you add your location and you select everything to set up a new alarm system, you'll see this. I mean, the app is so great. It's very self-explanatory. They have little videos in the app to show you exactly what to do. I mean, it's very, very simple. It should connect to your base station once it's all connected pretty easily. You can do Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So I had mine connected to Ethernet just for a better, more stable connection. But it'll set it all up. And then it'll tell you should have a little success after it connects. And then it will enter the main page of the Ring app again, and it'll do some updating of the system, probably, firmware updates. And once that's done, you can start adding all the little pieces to the system itself. After the update, you'll just click add Ring alarm devices and then add device, and you'll see a whole list of all the devices that you can add. And it's pretty simple. It has little instructions on what to do for each device. So if you're setting up one of the contact sensors, you just pull the little tab back off the sensor, which activates it in the app, and you can click that one. It'll walk you through exactly what to do to get it set up. It's very, very simple. Okay, so I put the indoor camera up there, and this is mostly for when we're not in the house, because we're not fully moved in here yet, so I kind of want to be able to watch the house when I'm not here. So the camera being here, I can kind of watch over the whole entryway. And I'll show you the Alexa, pretty cool, that came with the system. Alexa, show me the front door camera.
Okay.
And you can tap to zoom. Pretty cool. So this is kind of an update because I set this system up a few months ago and then our move got delayed. So I've been kind of monitoring the whole house remotely for a little while now. And I've got some funny stuff on the indoor camera because it faces glass doors in the back. So I've caught some animals going by and stuff. It's been funny, but then just the other day, I had the alarm all activated. Everything had been fine for months. The alarm was triggered by motion detected in the kitchen where I don't have any cameras. So the alarm went off and the police responded, and it it was actually a great experience with Ring to see how it actually works in the real world. Police responded, they didn't find anything, but I'll play those clips for you just to show how having this system actually is really helpful and makes you feel very safe and secure.
Police department, back with police.
You guys hear me?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm on the Ring camera. I'm the owner. We're not there right now.
Yeah, you had an unlocked door. This is the Beckley Police Department. We just came to check it out.
Thank you. Yeah, the alarm went off because there was motion in the kitchen, and I guess that triggered the alarm.
Yeah, we're making our way through the house right now. We haven't seen nobody yet, but you did have an unlocked door on the back side. So we'll lock that up for you before we leave, okay?
Okay, thank you guys so much.
Yes, ma'am.
I've had other security cameras before where you can actually talk with like through the camera, and it never sounds good, but obviously the police department could hear me well, so that was great that I could communicate with them without being there. So I'm going to say this system is great. I mean, it really protected my house and made me feel like I had protection even though I wasn't there. So I say shout out to Ring and shout out to the police department because this was a great experience. So I highly recommend this. And like always, please subscribe and like and let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.